Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Your Apple Watch has battery and is paired to your iPhone. Once paired, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch. You need watchOS up to date. This avoids feature differences. Now, on the watch, swipe up to confirm the battery and connection icons. From here, you'll start configuring display behavior, so make sure both devices are connected and charging optional, but recommended for smoother changes. You now enable the Always On feature. Open Watch app, select Display and Brightness, then tap Always On and switch it on. Once done, choose what remains visible: complications, watch face details, or minimal data, so you preserve privacy and battery. Make sure to adjust wake screen and brightness. Lower brightness reduces drain. If you have an Apple Watch SE or older model, note Always On may not be available. Continue by testing the watch face to confirm the time remains visible when your arm is down. Finish by selecting a watch face optimized for Always On. Pick one with big numerals and essential complications so the time is readable at a glance. You should test by lowering your arm and then raising it. The display should stay dim but show time. If it doesn't, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone, then revisit display and brightness to confirm Always On is enabled. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch or contact Apple support. This resolves most lingering configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.